Engine and generator. First, I set the engine in place and mark the holes. I drill the two top holes for now and put the engine back. I secure it with machine screws and blind nuts. This type of nut is designed to bite into wood with its claws. Next, I mark the bottom holes and remove the engine again. I drill the remaining holes. I use the long pilot first since the cowling is blocking the drill. I flip it to the other side to get it with the final size bit. The engine goes back again, so I can mark the hole for the generator shaft. By the way, thanks to my buddy Lipo for gifting me the brushless motor. I drilled the shaft hole with little extra clearance. I found this 1/8 MPT fitting in my spare parts, and somehow it worked out with the thread on the back of the engine. I was surprised since all the threads on the engine are metric. Also worth to mention, I sacrificed spring starting mechanism that originally comes with this engine. Now at least I will never run out of batteries if the generator works the way I want. This brushless DC is rated at 400 kV, that means it will produce around 4 volts at 1000 RPM, therefore 12 volts at average cruising RPM. I will be really happy if I don't have to worry about charging every time I want to fly. That's all for today and more coming soon.